let's check the core n8n concept. So in this module, what we are going to do is we are going to learn about the n8n canvas. Canvas is nothing but the place we are going to create our workflows. We are going to learn about how the interface looks like, how to do executions, how to put your workflows into production mode or active mode. We're going to look at the nodes, the type of nodes, after where to debug stuff, how to do error handling, how to do connections, how to add different types of nodes. So you're going to learn a lot of basic stuff over here, and I'm going to go through each and every small thing. What is a node, what is a canvas, and stuff like that. So we are going to have a lab on that, and the lab will show each and every small aspect that you need to learn to create your first workflow. Building our first workflow. This is the basis of everything. If you do not understand, if you do not get it, please go back, practice the lab again, and that will really help you to get your hands on and get that confidence that you need to create more advanced workflows. So the components that we are going to look on is trigger nodes, processing nodes, action nodes, excuse me. So the trigger nodes are nothing but something that is going to trigger our workflow. Workflow is nothing but you tell an AI agent to do a task at a certain trigger, like when at 9 a.m. in the morning, that's a scheduled trigger. When somebody submits a form on their website, that will connect to our n8n using webhook. So run the workflow at that time or at a specific interval. So we'll see different types of trigger nodes. And in our case, as soon as an email lands, that is a trigger for our agent or our workflow to kick in, go and check what type of email it is, classify it, and then notify us. So we're going to see that. Action nodes are, they're going to take some actions like sending a notification or creating a draft in an email or actually sending an email. Those are the action nodes. Processing nodes are data processing nodes. For example, you got first name and last name together, and you want to break it into, like, you got a full name, but you want to break it down to first name and last name, or vice versa. You got first name and last name, and you want to create a full name out of it by joining those two strings. That way, those are the processing nodes. We are going to do an exercise. An exercise will show you everything that you know about schedule triggers, data transformation, and action nodes.